Welcome back, friends. Now what we are looking forward to is records returned. Over here we are going to fill the formula so that it returns the records, number of records it has found. So over here in HR file, what we are going to look over here is, let's say in the first name, if I type count A, there is this function count A, equal to sign, equal to count A. So count A stands for like you might have guessed, count all. So it will count all the elements, all the cells which are filled in column B, say what I have selected for now, and there is no second argument. Enter, and it returns me as 201. Now it is returning me as 201 because it is also considering that this title over here, that is row 1. So what I will do is I will subtract -1 to get the number of records that we have, and that is 200. So this is count A function which counts all, and there we have another function, our old countif function, which counts if the range is this, and if in this range you get, say, Lily, if you find Lily, so if this condition is true, then count how many times this condition is true in the column selected range, that is column B. So it says 3, so it is telling me that it has found 3 matches in the column B. So it can be elaborated as there are 3 lilies in the data set. So I will use this now in my name search over here as record returned. You can use concatenate function over here. So I have used the cell format to be red so that it gives us a nice look. Concatenate. Text 1 will be nothing but count if it's very disturbing over here. Let's go to the formula bar. Count if the range is from HR file this, and comma, what we are going to look for is this, and if it will return me the number of matches it has found, then I want it to be out of, and then comma, what I want to have is the total number of count A function, that is count A, count all, and that will be column B over here, and it will return me including the heading, that is row 1. So I will -1 and I will concatenate all of that. So it says 5 of 200, so it has found 5 matches for Luca out of 200 matches, total of 200 datas that are present to us. Lily is something like 3. Let's check out some another name. Logan is a nice name. Logan, oops, I typed it in the wrong cell. Logan, and we have 3 match for Logan as well. And Daisy, nice name, another nice name, Daisy. I spelled it wrong, D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy, there is just 1 match, Daisy Rogers. So we are done with this project, and this is quite a powerful sheet over here itself, which is making use of all the things that we have learned so far in this lectures, in this set of previous couple of, like in the set of previous 20 lectures, we have applied everything, if not directly but indirectly, we have used every concept that we have learned so far in the previous 20 lectures. Thank you. Hope I find you in the next lecture with a new